Okie dokie. G'day guys, it's Falcon Campman here. How's it going? You guys missed me, I've missed you. Hope you all are doing well despite all the COVID-19 bull crap and the lockdown and the self-isolating and all that sort of stuff. Yeah, I really hope you guys are all doing well, because this thing is pretty serious. I'm just going out for a bit of a ride just to blow the cobwebs out. Haven't ridden Vulcan in quite a while actually, so haven't made a Vulcan Camman video in quite a while, so yeah, everyone's just been on lockdown due to COVID-19, and crazy girlfriends are tipping their husbands, you know, Corona beers down the drain. Yeah, but laughing matter aside, jokes aside, this stuff is pretty serious, and you know, my heart and my condolences and everything goes out to any of you that have lost friends and family members to this. I'm deeply sorry to hear about that. Yeah, so I really don't have much to say about COVID-19. Really, it's just a pretty nasty thing to have if you do have it. If you do have it, I really do wish you all the best in your recovery, and hope that nothing, you know, turns out too serious for you. Yeah, everyone else, you know, just stay safe, be smart, and yeah, I wish you guys all the best. And if we all just hunker down and just take it easy and just be responsible, then we can get through this. We'll come out stronger, we'll come out smarter, we'll come out overall, I think, a better race. Yeah, so I'm just going for a little bit of a cruise and keeping my fingers crossed that I don't get pulled over, because apparently because of the COVID-19, you know, lockdown and restrictions and stuff like that. I mean, I don't know what it's like worldwide, but here in Australia, there's only 4 valid reasons that people are allowed to leave their homes, and that is for work, for fitness, for education, like to go to school and stuff like that, or to get essentials like, you know, grocery shopping and medication, and to see doctors and stuff like that. I just heard on the news a few days ago that a woman took her daughter out for took her daughter out for a driving lesson because she's on her L plates, and she got pulled over and got fined like $1,600, which I honestly think is ridiculous. I really hope that they waive that fine, because that's, you'd think that would count as education if you're taking your daughter out for a driving lesson when they're on their, you know, learner's permit. So what? I don't get that. I seriously don't. I really hope that fine gets waived, because that's just ridiculous. And another really stupid one that I heard about recently was this guy was had his push bike or something on the back of his in his car, and he was driving to a park or something to go and do some push bike riding, and he got pulled over and fined like $1,000 or something like that. And he tried to tell the cops that he was going out to do some exercise. So there's that, but the cops didn't buy that, so they still fined him, which is just, I don't get that, honestly. I mean, personally, I don't know anyone that has COVID-19, but I do frequently check up on my mates. A lot of my mates are in the, you know, vulnerable age group, you know, over 60. I just frequently check up on them and ask them if they're alright, and ask if their families are okay. Because, you know, it would hurt me, it would break my heart basically to find out if one of them's sick. Oh, that's pretty cute. They put a little Easter bunny on the speed thing back there. That's pretty cute. But yeah, everywhere's sort of well, not as deserted as I was kind of expecting it to be, but still people are staying at home. Yeah, anyway, I hope you guys are all well, and condolences, and my heart goes out to anyone that's, you know, lost family members with this COVID-19, this demon. World War III, people are calling it. Yeah, like I said, I really don't have much to say about it. Just hope you guys are all well, and I'll leave a link to a music video in the description called Stay the Fuck at Home. It's actually quite funny. It's a bunch of really top-known Australian musicians got together and made a little you know, self-isolation music video called Stay the Fuck at Home. I'll leave a link in the description for it. It's pretty funny. I personally watched it about 5 or 6 times already, and I've had friends on Facebook that have sent it to me, so yeah, it's pretty funny. So I'll leave a link in the description for it, and you guys can check it out and, you know, cheer you up if you're feeling a bit down. It's been a bit of an emotional roller coaster for me personally. One day I'd be happy and everything would be fine. The next day I'd be like, ugh, I'm over this. I wanted to stop, you know what I mean? But the good thing is I'm not on my own. Like, pretty much the whole friggin' world is feeling this way. Whoa, what do we have here? 96.9. Whoa, that's pretty cheap. I haven't seen petrol that cheap in a while. What do we got? You have got to be joking. Wow, I've never seen 98 that cheap. $1.16. Usually it's like $1.50 or something, at least that. Alright, let's fuel up here then. That is very cheap. I've never seen 98 octane that cheap. That is ridiculous. I'm going to take a photo of that. I'll post it on Instagram and Facebook. Howdy guys, I'm back. So $1.16.9 for 98 octane, which is ridiculously cheap. I've never seen it that cheap before. So $13.69 for 11.71 litres. Tell me you haven't fueled up for that cheap in a long time, if ever. Anyway, due to the restriction laws and everything like that, you can't really go for just a casual ride. You can't. They say you can't even leave your suburb. You have to stay within, you know, your suburb, or within like a 20-kilometer radius of wherever you live, which is a little bit annoying, considering, especially if you want to go for a, you know, bit of a ride. But luckily my suburb's got a few roads that I can take. Anyway, heading off to JB Hi-Fi to purchase a few DVDs to help curb my boredom. I do my helmet up. Yep. It's one thing I always forget is sometimes I forget to do my helmet up. Alrighty. It would be nice to go for a ride, considering I've got a full tank of gas now. But I can't because of the restrictions that everyone puts on you. You can't go more than 20 k's or so outside your suburb, which is, unless you're working or you're going to school or whatever. But when it comes to going for a casual ride like I am today, you're a bit shit out of luck. It's either that, or it's either stay within your suburb or risk getting pulled over and fined something stupid. So there's that. But you know, it is a bit of, I know it's I can understand it can be an inconvenience for some people, and I also understand that it's friggin' frustrating as heck. But honestly, guys, we just need to bear with it and just play the waiting game and just hold out with it, and eventually it'll be over with and life will return to normal. But for now, we just need to play ball, and that's what I encourage each and every one of you to do. Just play ball. Just I understand it's a pain in the butt, but you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. So I just went into JB Hi-Fi to pick up some DVDs, so I've got a bit of entertainment while I'm in my lockdown, or while I'm in, you know, staying at home. And annoyingly, they don't do cash transactions anymore. So what I had to do is I had to go to Woolworths and purchase a friggin' gift card, and then go back to JB Hi-Fi and use that to buy the DVDs, which was a little bit annoying. But I guess they gotta maintain a new protocol now, so they probably find it just as annoying as the customer does. So anyway, at least Woolworths didn't reject my cash. So yeah, yes, I understand that all the stuff that's going on with Covid-19 might be a little bit of an inconvenience to some people, but it's for the better. And if everyone could just hold out and just you know, try and get used to it, and just hope that, you know, just wait and hope and pray that, you know, everything will come good eventually. And that's all we really can do, is just to bear with everyone and just try not to let it be too annoying. So yeah, it is a bit annoying, I understand that, but we just need to just be smart about it and just be patient with it, and don't do anything stupid, and we can all get through this together. So that's what we want. So I know I've said this a million times, but I do wish everyone the best of luck, and if anyone is sick with COVID-19, then my hopes and prayers go out to you, and my condolences go out to the people that have lost family members. But we will get through this, guys. We just need to persevere. We just need to hold our breath, metaphorically. And if we just stick to our guns and just you know, take it easy, then it'll be over before we know it. And hopefully all this will just seem like a really long bad dream, but we will get through it, guys. So from Vulcan Cam Man, I wish you guys all the best. Stay safe, stay healthy, be smart, be patient, and we'll get through this. So like me on Facebook, follow me on Instagram. I want to do a Q&A, so send in a question if you have any. Just send me a PM on Facebook or Instagram, or leave a comment on YouTube, and I'll do a Q&A when I get enough questions. Hoping to get at least 10, that'll do. So yeah, if you have a question for me, send them in, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay safe, catch you later.